Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel beautybyadaa here. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back, and if you are a new subscriber, a new member, you're seeing this face for the first time, please click on that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you know whenever I post my videos. Do remember to share my videos to your friends and family, and also like my videos, guys. Thank you so much for always staying here with me. This video we are going to be doing, I'm going to be showing you all how I redid my bedroom to make it look, a little more cute and all that. So if you want to see this video, please keep watching. So welcome back, guys. This is what my bedroom looks previously. Like, this is what my bedroom looks like before I did all the remodeling and everything. So this is what it looks like. I did not just like this bedroom at all. I'm not even going to lie. Like, I did not like it when I moved in here, but I was like, I'm definitely going to do something about it. Like the brown, what's it called again though? The brown, like the sink area, I did not like that. So firstly, what I started off with cleaning up the bathroom, because I had to use this opportunity to clean up and do every other thing I needed to do in the bathroom. Clean up my bathroom tub and clean up the bathroom, sweep everywhere, because before you do the contact paper thing, you have to like clean up, make sure there is no dirt or anything. So I just used that opportunity to clean up my bedroom, and and then the contact paper we are going to be using today, I got from Amazon. What else did I use? Yeah, I got that from Amazon, and yeah, everything I'm going to be using today I got from Amazon. And this cleaning spray thing I got that from dollar store. The dollar store, yeah, you all need to check out the dollar store. Like, there are so many things you can get from the dollar store that are really, really, really good. I got that and it works so well. Like, it works like magic, cleaning up the bathtub and everything. It works so well. Now that I'm done cleaning up, I'll have to start with my work. This is where the work starts. So this is the contact, the marble contact. I just love how the marble contact looks. I think I saw this in one other YouTuber's channel, and I was looking for like the type of marble, the type of contact paper I was going to use. I really loved the marble, and I was like, okay, let me just try this out. I think the marble looks great, so let me use the marble. You will see different options. You can do whichever one you want to. But I just decided to go with the marble one because it looks so pretty. So this is not so difficult. I won't say it's not difficult. Would I say difficult? It's not like so easy, easy, if you know what I mean. But then it's not so difficult. Yeah, let me put it that way. This particular contact paper has like the markings, the lines and the numbers. You see the lines at the back, so you can easily measure it and then cut it out without any mistakes. It has the lines there guiding you on what to do and how to do it, so you don't really need to worry about that. So I did not have the thing they use for the for smoothing it out, so I used my credit card. That was what I used. So. But make sure it's like the one you're no longer using. That's what I used. So. So you can just place it, measure it, and then cut it out from the back. It's easy because you have the lines at the back, so you don't really need to stress much about it. So what you need to do is like open up a little bit, like open up, roll down the contact paper, like the thing under, roll it down a bit, then place it where you want it to be. Then gently keep rolling it down as you're placing the contact paper. So you don't just remove everything at the back at once. Just roll it, just keep rolling it as you place down your contact paper, so that way it remains straight. You don't need to stress about it. Because if you put everything down at once, it's going to give you a hard time. It's going to be like hell for you. You just need to take your time. Like, you need patience to do this. You don't need to rush it. You really need patience to do this. It's not that easy. Like, because if you're not patient enough, you definitely make mistakes. Like, you just need to be patient and do it gently, and definitely you will get your results and you will like it. So now guys, I am going to be doing something I don't know if it will work or not, but I did not like the floor as well. So what I did was I used the same contact paper for the floor. I'm not saying do this or don't do it. Like, you can give it a try it, but then if you want to see a video on how this held up after like maybe 2-3 months or after 6 months, whatever, just leave a comment in the comment section and I'll make a video to show you guys what it looks like after a while. But then I did not like the flooring, and so I just used this to cover it up, and I won't lie, I really loved it. But then for it holding up in the bathroom, let's just see what it looks like later on. So guys, this is what the bathroom looks like after everything. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, like and share my video with your friends, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate you all. And if you want to see more videos like this, leave a comment in the comment section, and also please leave your comment and tell me what you think about this video. Just tell me what you think. Thank you guys so much for watching, and then I will definitely see you guys in the next videos. If you don't know, I post videos on Wednesdays and on Sundays, so please do check me out. Click on that notification bell so you know whenever I post my videos. Like and share with your friends, guys. Don't forget to do that. I think this is really cool. This is really beautiful to me. I love it and I love it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And I cleaned that bedroom so well. Like, it looks so good, feels so good. Thank you guys for watching.